I'm going to spatchcock and smoke a turkey tomorrow, so what I'm doing is I'm preparing for that, and in order to do that I need a bunch of my smoke sticks cut down and soaked overnight in water. So we're going to do that and get ready for tomorrow's cook. I'm going to take some of these and I'm going to cut these down just a little further so they smoke better. Where I'm going to set the camera so I can see this. Okay, this should be enough chip to get me going, plus the chips that are already in the smoker. I'm just kind of adding to them. So we'll take these and put some water in there and get them soaking overnight. Okay, I got some water in them. Gonna set them here on top of the smoker overnight. I've already got pretty good base down there. I don't know if it let you see it, not with the shadows, but the smoker's all ready now for tomorrow. I'm gonna start the smoker up here, get ready to put the turkey in. So the first thing I'm gonna do is take all the water out of here. Okay, all plugged in. I'm gonna set that to 250. There we go. Now we're ready to spatchcock the turkey. All right, well, I got my turkey out. I got the smoker going. Now I'm going to attempt to spatchcock it. Let me get all this fat out of here first. And the neck. Okay. Make a cut right down here so I can follow. Okay, there's cut number one. We'll turn her around. That's a hard one. I had to wash my hands and turn my microphone on. I did not remember to turn it on. Now here, what I'm going to need to do is break this bone right here. So it lays a little flatter. And then run a knife alongside that sternum. Okay, now the sternum's out. Now there's no bone between them. So when it's all cooked up, we'll be set. Just gonna clean up the underside here a little bit. And on with the spices. Okay. I'm going to use Kinder's Woodfire garlic spice and just black pepper. Okay, that's done. Go ahead. Okay, now we let that set for 15 minutes before we put it in the stove. Okay, we've had plenty of time there. Now we're going to take it out, put it in the smoker. It has been just about an hour. I'm gonna check real quick. I'm not gonna check the temperature yet, it's way too early. But getting some smoke on there. 160 degrees. Not quite 2 hours. There's a little test here. About 125. A little over 125. Coming along. Been 2.5 hours. $150, $155. $160, but it hasn't popped yet, so I'm going to give it a little longer. Take a look at that. That looks delicious. Pretty sure we're ready now. Oh, that is so beautiful. Yes. Yes. I'm going to get a picture of that for prosperity. Okay. Okay, we're going to let that rest for a while and then we'll come back and break it down. It's all put up in here, ready for the refrigerator. We got some turkey bones for turkey soup and all ready for tomorrow. All right, like and subscribe.